you know, I think that my marriage is like tapestry because for now I can only see the threads that crumple, that that you cannot see the things what is behind the tapestry, the front view. I am seeing my marriage at the back of the tapestry, that full of threads, that different colors, that there is no shade, there is no beauty with the crumpled, with the mixed threads, right? So that's where I am at now. That Lord, how or how or Lord, I want to see the back of my, the back of the tapestry. I mean, the 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 plan that you have in my marriage, you know, because all that I have experienced with my marriage is like difficulties, Um, we already applied a visa. We applied a visa before first attempt, and then it was denied, and I like I understand why, but so I think that's only God's grace. This is only God's grace that God will open the door